All right, so let's see. This is how we do it, right? All right.
I thought you were filming.
Yeah, you're filming the star.
The star is on the street.
Look at the height of this guy. And I'm the old.
You have to raise the camera.
No, I get you. Yeah, and it's the and I'm the older one.
Yeah. Well, you're shrinking. That's why. If you're age.
Yeah. And you ain't that far behind.
You used to be taller.
Maybe between 1 and 2 years old. Maybe I was a little taller, but that was a long time ago, brother. All right. Anyway, we're on a little shopping trip. So we are going to go and we're going to go and try to find Leif from USB storage stick, 64 gigabyte.
Take all the video back home. So I can take it back home.
Yeah.
And, put together my own YouTube channel.
Right.
With more stuff about me.
Right.
And less stuff about my cousin.
Right.
All about me.
Yeah. And
At least on my YouTube channel.
right. Yeah. He is a little egocentric.
Well, a little bit. And I admit that.
Yeah.
Like
Well, that's a good thing. At least you admit it.
I like that about myself.
Yeah. So let's turn the camera around. We're just going to give you a little walk here. I think the store is right around the corner up here. At the end of this. At the end of this street. This is not the street where you go to Rex, right?
Where you go to what?
To Rex Gym,
Oh, that's not the next one.
right? Okay. All right. Maybe we'll walk by there on our way home.
Yeah. I think of an overtraining. Yesterday I was did not feel very enthusiastic at all.
Right. Well, and when you get a little older, it
know.
takes a little longer time for the muscles to get there.
I will never admit that. So
Yeah. Maybe you don't, but
yeah. No, you got to rest. You got to rest sometimes in between.
right. Yeah, that's true.
And I did 6 weeks, six days last week. That's really fun.
Right.
And even you look at YouTube videos of training and things like that. Usually you got to have rest. 48 hours.
48 hours is not enough, really.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah. You definitely overtrain. Yeah, age does matter. I mean, things break down.
Come on, yeah. I mean, in my 30s and 40s, I had no problem training 2-3 hours a day.
Right.
Today, I can't handle 30 minutes.
Yeah.
So,
It's always something.
It's
always something.
Yeah.
How are your feet doing?
It's right now. When I'm walking, it's kind of hurting.
Yeah.
But maybe I could hike that little hike 3 kilometers. I got to tell him today if I want to go Thursday.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you do whatever you feel is best for you.
Yeah. Right.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So here we have
MacArthur.
up here we have Johnny's supermarket. So yeah, they can wait.
Okay, so
All right. Now,
this way.
do you remember the name of that place?
Yeah. I mean, I'll tell you how smart I am. I took a picture of the directions.
Right.
So there's Fields, that's back there. Surla Street. I believe it's the next street over.
All right. All right. Well, it's on MacArthur, though, right?
Yeah, it's on MacArthur.
Okay. All right, so let's head down that way. And when we walk back, we can walk up Fields Avenue too. You put Fields Avenue in your video, you get some hits.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but yeah. I know there is a computer store here somewhere. And this is the street where you have Rex, right? Rex Yum is down that way, right? All right. Well, we should be really close here. It's right there. I see it. Easy logic, yeah. This city, man, the traffic has just become crazy here. All right. Easy logic. Do you like shawarma?
Yeah, you told me about that.
Yeah.
I do. Yeah.
You walked down 50 pesos for
I'm
one.
hungry. Maybe we should get some.
Well, I think no, I'm not right now. So here's PC Logic, right?
All right.
Oh yeah, there you go. All right, so
See if we got the
yeah, I'm sure they do. I'm sure they do. I'm sure they do. PC Logic. Memory sticks, yeah. No, you don't have USB flash? 128 micro SD? Yeah, that would work too.
Yeah, put that in my phone, right?
Yeah. Is it micro SD? Okay, then it will work.
How much?
Should work for you then. How much? Micro? Oh, no. No.
What is this? Is this a USB here? Not in the computer? USB? How much is this?
How many gig? And it fits in your But what did you call them here? And
No,
they had
that was a different place. Another 2 miles down the road.
all right. Well, it's up to you. I mean, what do you got for hard drives?
We have
External.
external.
Which one?
My passport.
And how much are they? And how big are they?
Two terabytes.
5,407.
Okay, that's 2 terabytes. And you don't have a 1? Okay. Well, I guess you have to make that decision, Leif. 1 terabyte for 3,000. That,
Yeah.
but that's up there, right?
Yeah, they also have 64 gigabyte sticks that are cheaper.
All right. Well, I guess we can go there. We just go back and take the motorcycle. All right. All right. Thank you, though. In my opinion, it was overpriced.
Yeah.
They do that here. And sometimes when foreigners walk in, the price goes up
Right.
for some reason. But we can walk back this way, right?
Yeah.
No, I didn't, but I think we'd be okay. Here's the shawarma place. And it's pretty good, actually. It's actually pretty good. Okay, so no success there. But yeah, that computer place is just on the other side of the bridge, right? We've got to cross the bridge and there's a computer place on the right hand side, I think.
Sure, those directions.
It's so dark.
Oh, here's fields.
Where's the river?
Oh, it's not very far actually. No, it's not even past the river. Federico, Johnny's Supermarket. Wait a minute. That's fields here. No, it's only another couple of blocks.
Oh, okay. What's the name of it?
It's
I can't see there.
PC Configured Computer Center.
What's the street?
That's on MacArthur.
Let me put my glasses on.
It looks a different one here. Maybe that's the one we were just at. That's the one we were just at. This one, MacArthur Highway and
Angeles City.
yeah, it's
Yeah, you don't have data on your phone, do you?
no, yeah, but it's here. It's you know where James Auto Supply, Maxton Street, Alonzo Street. Jim, it's on the other side.
I think this is on the other side of the bridge, all the way up in the entrance. But we can check it on your computer.
Yeah,
Go around. We'll do it. Computer shack. Is this the street where Rex is? No, that's another.
oh.
Huh?
It's not, yeah, it's
Oh, we walked 2 streets, so it's one
Yeah.
block over that way.
right.
I was going to walk up that way and catch the outside of it.
Right.
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how this gimbal works
Right.
sideways and with this thing in it. But it's fairly light. karaoke. The pastime of Filipinos. I call it pastime.
Yeah. A lot of karaoke. A lot of karaoke.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No. Yeah, some people, you know, they're building these houses and they're so nice. And you know, sometimes I'm thinking they want to sell, they can't get the money out of them because of the surroundings.
Right.
But it doesn't seem like they're pricing it the same way we do. The best way to buy a house in the U.S. is go to the nicest neighborhood and buy the worst looking house and restore it, and you make some money. Here, that rule does not apply. Alright, so we're getting back from our walking trip. No success on the cards, so we're gonna jump on a motorcycle and go up to Angeles. And here is Orchid Inn, I guess it's called, Orchid Inn Resort. This is where we stayed on our wedding day. Leif is staying here as part of it.